Thinking about starting a career in Florida real estate? You might be wondering, how long does it actually take to get your license? And how does it take to start working as an agent? So let's break that down for you. I'm Jennifer Kenna, a real estate agent right here in Bradenton, Sarasota, and today I'll walk you through the exact steps to become a licensed real estate professional in Florida, so you know what to expect from start to finish. Getting your real estate license can feel confusing if you don't know the process. There's pre-licensing courses, exams, background checks, and the paperwork with the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation. So many people ask, how much time does this take? Is it hard? What's the fastest way to get started without making tons of mistakes that will delay your career? So here's the step-by-step process. Number 1, meet the basic requirements. You must be at least 18, have a high school diploma, and have a valid Social Security number. Number 2, complete the pre-licensing course. In Florida, it's 63 hours of approved real estate education. You can do that online or in person. Number 3, submit your application and background check. This does include some fingerprints and processing fees that are through the state. Number 4, pass the Florida real estate exam. This exam covers both state and national real estate laws and practices. Number 5, activate your license with a brokerage. Once licensed, you'll need to join a brokerage so that you can start legally working. Our team, the Jennifer Kenna Home Selling Team, is part of eXp Realty. It is an international brokerage that is most agent-centric and focused on you and your learning. So at eXp, we offer cutting-edge tools, cloud-based support, revenue share opportunities, and mentorship programs that help new agents get up and going quickly. Joining our team means that you're supported, connected, and set up to succeed from day one. Most people complete the entire process in just a couple of weeks, depending on how quickly they finish the coursework and schedule their exam. Some even fast-track programs. You can get there as little as 1 week, and you can start dedicating yourself full-time as real estate as a new career. Once you pass and join a brokerage, you can start building your business immediately. In Florida's booming real estate market, getting licensed now positions you to take advantage of incredible opportunities. Whether it's helping buyers find their dream home right here in Bradenton or Sarasota, or working with investors who want to grow their real estate portfolios. So to sum it up, you need to take the pre-licensing course, take the online exam, and have a brokerage sponsorship. The timeline can be as short as a couple of weeks or a few months, depending on your pace. But the payoff is launching a career in one of the hottest real estate markets in the country. So when you're ready to start your real estate career, you don't have to start from the bottom. You don't have to work 3 to 4 or 5 years struggling to learn and really know what it's going to take to succeed. You want to learn from the best. One of the best investments I ever made in my career is hiring a real estate coach. When you have a coach, you can really learn quickly in just a couple of weeks what's taken them 10, 20 years to learn. So by joining our team, we're going to match you up with a top agent in our area who is selling real estate today in our market that can help advise you through the process. Plus, you're going to have the leadership and guidance from me that I can really get you up and going quickly. We've had one agent on our team, brand new to the business, and got 5 contracts in just 5 weeks. So it really is dependent on how hungry you are, how committed you are to making this work. You can dive right in, learn quickly, and start working and start being successful in a very short amount of time. If you're curious about starting your real estate career in Florida and want to learn more about joining our Jennifer Kenna Home Selling Team at eXp Realty, please reach out to me. We'll guide you through the licensing process and help you get set up for success right here in this beautiful area of Florida.